This is how to create a video with NotebookLM. From your NotebookLM dashboard, create a new notebook or edit an existing one. So for now, we will create a new one. Then we will add a resource. So add your resource here. For instance, I am using World Atlas as my resource. You can add more and just click this forward arrow icon. Then we will add a prompt. You can use this pre-made prompt right here. Okay, we will add a prompt. Generate a simple explainer about Troy. Then we will go to video overview and we'll just click this one. Choose a format. You can go for explainer or brief. We'll go for explainer. You can choose a language. And for the visual style, okay, let's say whiteboard. And you can add the focus here. So we will choose this myth versus facts, or you can add your own. You can also add other options right here. So we'll just click generate. The video generation may take some time. Okay, now our video has been generated. You can open this one. And if you want to download this, just click this three dots right here and just click download and click save. And if you want to play this video, you can just click this play button. And this is how to create a video with NotebookLM.